The secret superpowers of cinnamon, ancient spice, modern miracle. Envision a single spice that can revolutionize your meals and your health with just a dash. Enter the world of cinnamon, a spice revered not only for its delightful aroma and taste, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Cinnamon, the aromatic essence of comfort in many dishes, is derived from the inner bark of the cinnamomum trees. This spice transcends global cuisines, doubling as a powerhouse in both culinary arts and medicinal fields. From ancient Egypt to the spice cabinets of the modern kitchen, cinnamon has been a symbol of affluence and healing. Historically, it was so treasured that it was often considered more valuable than gold, influencing global trade and culture. Cinnamon's flexibility in the kitchen is unmatched. It brings a sweet and spicy warmth to desserts and savory dishes alike, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks worldwide. Beyond its culinary allure, cinnamon is a bastion of health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory abilities, and aids in managing blood sugar levels. Cinnamon supports pancreatic health, enhancing its ability to regulate insulin and stabilize blood sugar, offering hope for those with diabetes. Cinnamon is a potent ally in the regulation of blood sugar, making it a vital spice for diabetes management. It helps moderate the sugar absorbed into the bloodstream post-meals, crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Reducing inflammation is essential for overall health, and cinnamon's active component, cinnamaldehyde, offers promising anti-inflammatory effects. Enjoying the spice-laden journey? Hit like, subscribe, and alert yourself with our notifications for more enriching health content. Cinnamon is laden with antioxidants like polyphenols, which shield the body from oxidative stress and cellular damage. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can lead to lower risks of heart disease by reducing bad cholesterol and maintaining good cholesterol. Recent studies suggest cinnamon could defend against cognitive decline, offering protective benefits against disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Cinnamon can be a supportive element in weight management, aiding in blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, cinnamon helps combat oral bacteria, freshening breath and reducing tooth decay. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of cinnamon also extend to skin care, helping to clear up acne and skin blemishes. Have any cinnamon tips or questions? Drop a comment below. Let's start a spice-filled conversation. However, it's important to use cinnamon wisely, as excessive consumption, especially of the cassia variety, can lead to potential health risks like liver damage due to high coumarin content. Ceylon cinnamon, known as true cinnamon, is milder and contains less coumarin than cassia, making it safer for daily use. Sprinkling cinnamon in your coffee or using it in baking are just a few ways to enjoy this versatile spice while reaping its health benefits. Cinnamon has a storied history in traditional medicine, used to treat a range of ailments from the common cold to digestive issues. Its beneficial effects on digestion include relieving symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Cinnamon's rich antiviral and antibacterial properties help strengthen the immune system, making it a natural protector against illness. Its antibacterial qualities also make cinnamon an effective natural preservative, keeping food fresh and safe to eat. The sustainable cultivation of cinnamon is crucial, supporting not only the environment, but also the economic stability of the regions that produce it. Cinnamon has stood the test of time, proving its worth from ancient spice roots to modern health research. It's a small addition to your diet with potentially significant health impacts. Remember to consult with a health professional to best integrate cinnamon into your health regimen. With that said, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.